Hey lovies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to share this video with you guys about this amazing company who sent me this beautiful gift, and I want to be able to share it with you guys. I'm embarking on something new in 2024 and I hope you will too. So LOVET Planners, their name has such an encouraging meaning and it's so inspirational. It just makes you want to jump in and get started and see the vision for yourself. So join me in the video. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I know that it comes in a set of 2. So we're gonna just open it up, take a look around, and see what we have. So you have the vision book and also the vision board, which includes it in graphics. So it's split up in several different categories: friendships, love. It has spirituality. That's the one I think I'm going to do a quick partial one for you guys, just to do to get an idea of how you do it. But yeah, it's just so amazing. It has family, travel. And this is the vision board graphics, which I think is pretty neat because it kind of gives you things to get started, and you can always add and be as creative as you want to be with it. But the graphics go with each category, so they have them color coded. It's just so nice. They also have a quick guide to show you that the different categories and what some of the graphics are can go with it. And that's what I'm showing you there. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out some of the prompts that they have for spirituality. That's the one that I want to just do an example for you guys. And I'm going to add some other things to it. I'm going to use what they have here, but I know I have some things here around the house that I'd like to add to it. So I'm going to get a little creative. But this is just to kind of show you guys. So I'm just cutting out. This was so amazing to do. I enjoyed it so much. I lit a candle, played some music, and just zoned in. I was just all in it. I love doing stuff like this anyway. So it was nice. So for each section, they have like a beginner page. And for spirituality, they have this page on the left where you can paste a picture. It kind of just tells you about the section. And then it has a section to the right as well where you have some prompts, some questions that they ask you. I'm going to use double-sided tape to get this in. But again, they have the section to the right. And off camera, I started that already, and you see I have my candle lit, I had my music going, I was all in. It was so relaxing and peaceful. And so yeah. And then this is the vision board side where all those pieces that I cut, you can start kind of putting those together. And I'm going to show you here in the next clip of me getting started with it. and the gratitude prompts, the questions they ask you. It's just really, the whole concept is really nice. So I have this picture of me meditating, and I'm gonna put that here. I think it goes well with it, and then I'll finish out some other things later. I thought using double-sided tape was like less messy. I didn't want to do glue or anything, and everything lays nice and flat. But I'm sure you can use whatever you like. If you want some really nice pens, highlighters, things that you may need to use special for your journaling or for a vision book, if you have that, these pens are awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. So I'll have the link in the description. Doing something new and different is it just gave me a feeling that was so peaceful. This whole process, I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I want to thank LOVET Planners again for sending me this beautiful gift. And if you guys are still with me this far in the video, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does send out to the YouTube world that, hey, this video is over here so more people can see it. And I really want this company to get some traction because they have an amazing product. So go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. So right here, I'm just flipping back through a little bit slower so you guys can see some of the other pages that are included in it. I think I went a little bit too quick at the beginning, so I'm just slowing down a little bit to show you. I really love this section about the 3 to 12 months, vision for the next 3 to 12 months. You know, what do you see for yourself? What do you want? What do you envision? Celebrating your wins. It's just amazing. I would like to take a minute to ask you guys, have you ever done a vision board, a vision book? Comment down below and let me know. Do you have a special product that you use? If you tried it before, what is your experience with it? I would love to know what you guys think and your thoughts around it. So please comment below. If you are interested in purchasing this set, I do have a special link that will give you 15% off. So that will be included in the description below. So go ahead and grab it and get your vision on for 2024. I hope you guys have a happy new year. Please stay safe, and as always, choose joy every day.